I will not do this to cause harm to you. I am the mother. I have always endured despite arrows being put in my eyes and in my body. I am not seeking to defend myself. I remain calm. But now I must recuperate. There are two ways for me to heal. The first, I could take the law of nature into my own hands. This way I will go in search of my medicine so I can cure my body, heal my energies and all that I'm suffering from. There will be great changes upon the earth. You will feel me recovering. You will feel me moving.